Solar gold rush, spinning bright, coins from sunshine, day to night. No need for coal, no need for steam, just the power of a solar dream. Dance on the metal skin, a blockchain buzz beneath the din. No oil spills, no smoky sky, just clean energy watching coins fly. The sun is my boss, no overtime. It clocks in free every climb. Solar gold rush, spinning bright, coins from sunshine, day to night. No need for coal, no need for steam, just the power of a solar dream. The stars may laugh, but they can't compete. I'm on with fire, they can't defeat. No gas, no greed, just beams of gold. The future's here, the story's told.
I've got panels soaking up the sun, wires humming, the day's just begun. Out here where the power's mine to make, no city lines, no bills to break. I'm an off-the-grid girl living free, solar power dreams fueling me, high voltage running through my veins, chargers buzzing, breaking chains, Bitcoin mining in the barn out back, counting coins while the world loses track. The windmill spins, the batteries hum. Out here the wild is where I'm from. No tethered lines, no 9 to 5. This wild up life keeps me alive. I hear the crackle, I feel the spark. My freedom's lit when the nights go dark. I'm an off-the-grid girl living free, solar power dreams fueling me, high voltage running through my veins, chargers buzzing, breaking chains, Bitcoin mining in the barn out back, counting coins while the world loses track. My freedom's lit when the nights go dark. I'm an off-the-grid girl living free, solar power dreams fueling me, high voltage running through my veins, chargers buzzing, breaking chains, Bitcoin mining in the barn out back, counting coins while the world loses track. It's a dance of numbers, a code that sings, a digital gold rush the future brings. Out here I hold the rays of light, turning sunshine into endless nights.
I'm here where the wild winds blow, no wires tie me down below. I've got the sun, I've got the glow, power's mine, let it flow, let it flow. Shadows long, but my light won't fade. Every watt burned, every choice I've made. Off the grid, where the future's laid. Build my world, no debts unpaid. I'm solar powered, I'm Bitcoin bound, stacking dreams where none are found. No chains, no ties, I own my ground. I'm mining gold from the sun. Sun, oh, oh, oh. I'm sun, sun, oh, oh, oh. I'm panels gleam like a rebel's crown. Energy up while the grid breaks down. My own bank, no king, no town. Crypto runs where the sun beats down. Every block is a step I take, a digital path, the world I make. Freedom hums in the choices I stake, building a life no one can break. No middleman, no corporate face, just me and the code in this boundless space. No middleman, no corporate face, just me and the code in this boundless space. Shadows long, but my light won't fade. Every watt earned, every choice I've made. Off the grid, where the future's laid. Build my world, no debts unpaid. I'm solar powered, I'm Bitcoin bound. Stacking dreams where none are found. No chains, no ties, I own my ground. I'm mining gold from the sun. Sun, oh, oh, oh. Sun to sun, oh, oh, sun. Sun, oh, oh, oh. Sun to sun, oh, oh, oh. Panels gleam like a rebel's crown. Energy up while the grid breaks down. My own bank, no king, no town. Crypto runs where the sun beats down. Every block is a step I take, a digital path, the world I make. Freedom hums in the choices I stake, building a life no one can break. No middleman, no corporate face, just me and the code